Hey, how you guys going? Um, this is just another template I created. It took me about an hour, and this one was more so just to help out a family member start his fat loss journey. Um, so here you go. I kept it simple, different format, keeping the name, the performance indicators at the top, chest, waist, and hips, got the height, starting kilograms, body mass index, and then I got the weeks. It's an 8-week program. I got the dates underneath, the BMI, the weight and height. I've also added at the bottom the, what do you call it? The calorie deficit. So in this calorie deficit, I've done it a bit different. I've kept the ratio to 30% carb, 40% protein, and 30% fats. And I've also added fiber, and I've calculated that too. And I'll go into more detail about that as well. At the bottom, I'm not too sure how you guys do it, but I've just put down goals, three specific goals that they can work on in the next 8 weeks, or that they want to achieve over the next 12 months. So at the bottom, I'll just put a focus point as well, time frame, reasons, and happens to work on it. These are important because it just helps you program to what the individual actually needs as well, and to keep the individual or the client, as you will, on track whenever they start to deviate from their program. And that's where your coaching skills come in. At the bottom, I've got fitness markers, so I've put a specific date. We'll do it in the first week, and the last week on week 8, and we'll keep it relatively the same as well, just so that it's you can measure before and after as well. And at the bottom, I've got the tracker. So the tracker just basically is in line with the weight. So that's what this is. All right. I got the male BMR. All right, because he is male for the specific client. And then that's all preset. It's all set. So the way this works, right, is you start off on the male BMR page. All right. I'll clear everything. Alright, cool. So as soon as I enter these numbers here, alright, what I've done is I've linked it up to the calories or to the activity level of this individual, which is sedentary to light. I went with light just to give them a bit more as well, because they will be pretty active in this program. Going back to the male BMR, I'm going to use myself as an example. As you can see back here, alright, calories on 91. Alright, and this will change as well. So what I've done is, is you enter your current weight, 105, 177 in terms of your height, and then my age, 32, 33, yeah, 32 actually, 32. Yeah, once you pass 30, you tend to forget your age. So that presets everything, alright. And what I've done is I've linked up these calories here, alright, and that automatically updates here. And what I've done, as you can see with the percentages, okay, it's already preset. That's that done as well. And I've entered, this is up to you as well. On the 5th week, I've entered, I've got them to, or this individual, to go back up to their maintenance calories for their 1 week, and then drop back down to 65%, and then increase their calorie intake for the next 3 weeks. Once again, it's entirely up to you how you want to do it as well. With this, I've also implemented the fiber, and I've calculated the fiber. It is about 4 grams, 4 calories, 4 calories per gram. So that's all preset as well. And once again, this is just an indicator. This is just for you and the member to work towards as well, and help achieve the client's goals. That's all I've done. For this one, it's pretty simple. And I've locked up all the formulas and everything as well. So with the chest, waist, and hips, say for example, if I go 105, 130, 135, for example, yeah. Oops, sorry. Yeah, up here. 133, 135, and 140. Alright. And at the bottom, okay, you can use this little block here, just to measure on the 8th week as well. Over here, just enter the, what do you call it? Enter in the weights as you go, and this will automatically update. So, say for example, 105. Yep, cool, and you can see the tracker. Alright, 104, 103. So you get the idea of that. Yep, 100. Awesome, cool, done. And I forgot to show you guys this as well. 105, 140. So as soon as I enter in the details over here, 105, 177. Alright. Okay, as soon as I update this as well, alright, it updates here as well. So I haven't done it here yet, but when you hit 110, the weight, it automatically updates the individual BMI as well. So what you can do is you can go, it's a simple fix as well. And all I'm going to do is hit, not the age, is it the age? No, it's not the age. It's the starting weight, 110. Cool. Yeah, boom. So that's all linked up. Nice and easy. Alright. The height's already linked up. Oh, actually, no, the height's not linked up as well. Yep, boom, linked up, and all you have to do is enter in the age. And what I will eventually do is just enter in the age somewhere over here, and that way we're all good to go. Makes your job easier as well. Or what you can do is just enter in the details here, and it'll update vice versa. So if I was to go, if I was to do it the other way, actually no, yeah, cool. So sorry, when I enter this, these indicators here, or these cells here, it'll update here. All you have to do is add in the age, and then this will calculate the activity level of the individual and their calories, which will also link up to their calorie deficit, which is their maintenance calories, and this will preset everything else as well. Alright. In the next video, look, I'll try and break down each section as well, just to make it a bit more easier for you to understand, and hope this helps. Alright.